Stop looking at me like that. Both of you, stop it.
I wonder if she does this. Did you get a picture of that?
No, I'm recording. No, it hasn't been yet.
Oh my god, Sarah, I'm tired of holding a wet dog. I haven't held a wet bitch in this long forever.
Oh my god.
Kidding.
Close in person, how much? Ooh. Did she get you? No?
Oh, her mouth isn't wide enough to bite my lips.
Okay, Mr. Big Lips.
Sorry, I played the trumpet. It has totally been 5 minutes. That's my hand. Don't worry. I'm touching you.
I think she's getting bored.
Oh, really? I'm getting bored.
Okay.
Stop looking at the shampoo.
Okay, it's been 5 minutes.
Okay.